Hi, this is a Python programming lecture. In this lecture, we shall learn about dictionaries in Python. A dictionary in Python is a collection of key-value pair. Each key is connected to the value, and you can use key to access the associated value. For example, in this dictionary, things are keys and colors are values. To access those key-value pair, you can use for loop with key-value variable. They have key value in it, and items method that is returning key value from the dictionary. It is printed on the screen, and here is a method to add key value in the dictionary. Moon and white. Moon is equal to white. Here it is added in the dictionary. This delete statement will delete key value from the dictionary. Here moon and white are deleted from the dictionary. Here they are, before they were added, now they are deleted. Other method is key method. With this method, you can access all the keys in the dictionary. Likewise, value method. With value method, you can access all the values in the dictionary. Last method is pop method. We have provided key to the pop method, and it has deleted both key value, grass, green from the dictionary. Hope you like it. Thank you.